Hey gang, Jerry here, and today's going to be another video of our 35 Hot Rod Truck Series from Factory 5, and today I'm going to be explaining what I did with my shifter for my build. Now again, this is going to be more specific to this type of engine powertrain, transmission powertrain combination. As you know, I'm running the Ford small block 302 with the automatic 4R70W transmission. Since it's automatic transmission, I chose to go with the Lokar shifter. From my research, this shifter seemed to get really good reviews, and it seemed to be what everybody was going with. It does mount to the transmission very securely. I'm very happy with that. And there's many different ways you can set it up. You can set it with the shifter more forward. You can set it with further back. This is the location that I chose for the shifter. It seems to be very comfortable when I have the seat in here and reaching down and going through all the different ranges. So very nice shifter. I do want to point out a few things on this side. So if you come over here on this side, what I struggled with when initially trying to set this up is trying to figure out the best position for the linkage. I originally had the linkage connected out here, and it was causing a lot of issues with the tunnel and everything, and then I had a hard bend in the shifter, and then I figured out that the shifter arm that comes with the transmission was just tall enough that if I used a quarter 20 bolt, it actually clears the neutral safety switch. And then I have, much closer to the transmission, and basically as close to the transmission that I can possibly get, and not too bad of an angle on my shift rod. So I'm pretty happy with the setup that I have right now. I can tell you that it does touch, even though I have it as close as I can, it does touch the tunnel just a little bit, but I am working through that, and I'll show you what my solution was for the tunnel when we get to that part. But again, overall, it's again a Lokar shifter. I like it. It seems to be very well made. I have really nice positive engagements now that I have everything adjusted accordingly, and yeah, I like it. Have any questions or comments, please leave that in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, because we're going to be doing build series of videos like this throughout the entire build. And yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Remember, gang, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.